What's up YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great Thursday. So Bitcoin is looking extremely fucking beautifully bullish right now, right? So I'm gonna show you why I think it's very bullish. I'm gonna show you my next targets and my possible setups, and man, it's looking phenomenally good. So stick around. Alright, so here we go. Bitcoin on the monthly looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's just remove all the tools here so you see the, the clean price action here. I mean, look at this. It's just phenomenal, right? We closed the monthly above these two open and closes here from October and November last year. So just beautiful one to close, beautiful. And we closed above these two, so yeah, man, it's beautiful close. And this action right here, I mean, look at this, man. You don't really need to do a lot of TA to see that this is, a reversal in action, right? We're seeing a reversal, and by looking at, putting on the drawing tools here, we see that if you guys have seen, my other videos, you will probably know this already, but we came down, tested the RLC and I painted the RLC. Man, fuck, I can't speak today. Sorry about that. All right, so let's try that one again. I've painted the RLC using this low down here to this high up here, getting this RLC here. So we bounced off the RLC, we reclaimed the RLC of the October candle, the China pump, showing a clear sign of strength. This RLC of the China pump, the October candle, was confluent with this daily range. If you see the dotted horizontal lines here, that's the daily range I've been looking at, right? We reclaimed the range EQ of that daily range, and we are now trading at this very important area, and that's this red box here between 9.5 and 9.8 level. So if we actually start closing dailies above this area here, I would say we have a confirmed reversal. And seeing as it's Thursday today, it looks likely that we might actually get a weekly close above this area. If we get a weekly close above this area, I'd be very happy in longing a retest of this area being confluent with the hourly range we have here. So I'm gonna zoom in and show you what I'm looking at here. So here's the hourly range I'm looking at, with the range high being up here and range low being up here. When we did break range low to the downside here, and I did short the retest here, but obviously got stopped out because the retest of the range low here, we never really had any continuation to the downside. So a very nice, I would say, a fake out here. If you look at the daily, we had a pretty textbook fake out with the candle closing below, but the next candle just going straight from range low and full range resolution all the way up through range high. So very bullish action for Bitcoin. And if we look at this red box resistance here, which is the high time frame resistance, we are actually now using this area as a range, and I would look at this as a possible range going forward. We will probably range here for the next couple of days. I would look for something. Obviously we need more price action to make a more accurate range, but I would look for something like this, right? This being range low, this being range high, and this being range EQ. And as you can see here, we are pretty much respecting the range EQ here. I would probably mark it out as this area here. So the 9650 area would probably the EQ of the range, the EQ of the range EQ. Man, I don't know where I get all this stuff from. All right, so on the lower time frames, we broke out of this hourly range here, and we are now trading inside what I think and what I anticipate will be our new range inside this high time frame resistance. So my next trade will probably be if we get rejected from this area. I want to short a retest of this area, target this area. Down here, I would flip long and take profits up here. So short this, long this. That's basically it. But what's way more exciting here, if we close dailies or especially weekly above this area, I want to be long on a retest targeting, god damn, I'm gonna target like fucking $100,000. Or probably not 100,000, but I'm right. So we break this area to the upside. I'm gonna expect price getting rejected around 10.4. I long the retest, and I'm gonna target. Let me see. I want to target this area. No, sorry. Basically, what I'm gonna be looking at as targets is first target would obviously be this area, then the high of this pump, and then this area here, and so that's gonna be my targets, right? I expect something like this, right? Something like this, right? And if this is the new bull market, man, we're probably gonna take out all-time highs. It's gonna take a while, but I think we're probably gonna take out all-time highs, because we have, you know, the bull run, the bear market, the bull run, the bear market, and then we have a bull run, maybe a couple of months of bear market. But man, this is looking so good, looking phenomenal, right? So on the higher time frames, Bitcoin is looking so fucking beautifully bullish. And you know what? I haven't even watched the moving averages, because I don't think I have to. But if you guys know your moving averages, even if you guys put them on the chart, you will see that the moving averages are making this 10 times more bullish. I mean, this chart is beautiful. So guys, if you're in Bitcoin right now, expect a possible reversal at the current prices. But if we break this area to the upside, you need to be in Bitcoin. Don't sell all your Bitcoins. I mean, you need to be in Bitcoin if we break this area to the upside. You want to be exposed to the coming bull market that is coming. I mean, we've already pumped. I mean, we're already pumped about 50%. Imagine what will happen if we actually break this area to the upside. Alright, so that's it. Just a quick update on Bitcoin. I hope you guys are having a great Thursday. And if you guys like this kind of stuff, please considering subscribing to my channel and liking the video. And these types of analysis and these types of videos I try to deliver to the Burbness community a couple of days a week. So if you guys are interested in this kind of stuff and my trading style and learning more about how I trade and what I trade and what kind of setups I'm looking at, what alts I'm looking at, what's my next setup for Bitcoin and all that stuff, consider taking a look at theburbnest.com. And yeah, that's it. So see you guys next time. Take care.